Enter the assembly workshop of Osama Bender. This is the birthplace of precision and quality. Every bending machine embodies our pursuit of technology and our dedication to details. The experienced technical team strictly controls every assembly process. Whether it's the assembly of the frame or the installation of parts, we polish it with care, ensuring stable and reliable performance, whether it's complex workpieces or difficult processes.
Osama bending machine can easily handle it.
Every bending machine is tested for performance, pressure, and accuracy before leaving the factory. We use data to ensure quality withstands tests. Precise, efficient, and stable, Osama bending machines help customers improve production efficiency and create more value.
Over the years, Osama has always been customer-centered.
Driven by innovation, Osama manufactures, leading the future.
We look forward to working with you to create glory